Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all well. You've all been keeping safe, and family are safe too. Well, it looks like we're coming out the end of lockdown, thank goodness, and God willing, everyone will stay safe and there won't be a second peak, even though going out shopping, it looks crazy out there. Crazy, crazy. Right, okay, the reason you're looking at close to 100 hair systems is we have now got 2 weeks left before the 6th of July when we open to use Mike's services as much as possible for cut-ins on a block. Mike now has done close to 100 cut-ins on a block, and they've all been absolutely fantastic. He's a genius. So just a simple video looking at hair systems. We are now booked in the diary till September, maybe even the beginning of September or the middle of September. So this is concerning me with all the hair systems that need fitting. We will continue to show self-maintenance. This week I'm doing another cut-in with clippers. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 this time. And we'll keep doing the self-maintenance because I can see there's going to be a problem with getting people in. And with what the PPE being used for the stylist, it's asking them a lot to spend longer than 6 hours in that gear, so to speak. So please, please, please consider taking up the options. The last couple of weeks for Mike to do fittings before he gets on with his day job with the clients that come and see him, okay? Anyway, keep safe, take care, bye.